Hello viewers, welcome to a video about Turkey's first manned jet fighter. I am emphasizing on the word manned because Turkey has already produced a lot of drones uh, that are very successful also. So this one is the first manned jet fighter that Turkish aerospace industry is producing right now in the process of trials. This one is produced by Turkish Aerospace Industries. The manufacturer name is. It's a single engine, tandem seat. It means two seat, supersonic advanced trainer and light combat aircraft under development by Turkish Aerospace Industries. The prototype made its first flight on 25th April 2023. The Turkish Air Force intends to use the design to replace the Northrop E-38 Talon in the trainer role and also to supplement the General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon for close air support. The aircraft is also planned to replace Northrop F-5 used by the Turkish Stars aerobatic team. A naval version of the aircraft may also be developed. The company also plans to pursue export orders to countries looking to replace older trainer and ground attack aircraft. The project was initiated by Turkish Aircraft Industries in August 2017 using its own financial resources. A mock-up was displayed at the 2018 Farnborough International Air Show. On 22nd July 2018, the Turkish Under-Secretariat for Defense Industries announced that the Turkish Air Force had signed an agreement with Turkish Aircraft Industries, giving the project official status to move development forward. The matter of engine is right now not final. It could be Eurojet EJ200 or the General Electric F404 GE102. These two are under consideration. But I feel that both of the engine sources are can be problematic if Turkey wants to export the aircraft because uh, any European or American engine aircraft uh, they might face sanctions or not allowed to sell the aircraft to a big number of countries. Uh, its capabilities are planned to include air-to-air refueling, fly-by-wire with parameter limiting, built-in auxiliary power unit, night vision goggle compatible cockpit, head-up display, and an integrated helmet display system. TIE completed its first test simulator for the aircraft in September 2020. Designated Hurjet 270, the artificial intelligence-based simulator will incorporate feedback from the test pilots to change the flight control algorithms and avionics software during the flight test process. The company has developed simulator avionics, flight control systems, screen, cockpit, and communication systems for the simulator. Turkey has invited Malaysia to join Hurjet project in the role of producing some parts of the aircraft for the aircraft. While Malaysia has some experience developing composite materials, it has never designed and built any aircraft. About the specific parameters of the aircraft, uh, of course, crew of two, length is 42 feet 8 inches, and if we compare it, for example, the classic Mirage 3 aircraft, it was 49 feet, it is 42 feet, and wingspan 32 feet 2 inches, height 16 feet 9 inches, wing area 270 square feet, Empty weight 1200 kg, gross weight 2721 kg, max takeoff weight 6500 kg. Power plant, if it would be F404 GE102 after burning turbofan, it will give 17,600 pounds of thrust, means 78 kN. The maximum speed would be Mach 1.4. That is quite decent for the aircraft of this type. Cruise speed 460 kilometer per hour. Range, it means clean, with no load. The range would be 2,222 kilometer. Service ceiling 45,000 feet, which is quite reasonable for a fighter aircraft. Rate of climb 39,000 feet per minute. Now the questions become if, of course, there are rumors about Pakistan getting a similar aircraft from China, that is L-15, but that is twin engine. This aircraft customer, one of the export customers, might also be Pakistan. But as I already have explained, that the American or European engine in that might create difficulties, because similar thing happened in the uh, gunship helicopter, Turkish origin gunship helicopter that had American engines, that I think America refused to grant uh, to export that. So similar thing can happen in Hurjet also, not only about Pakistan, but to other countries also that Turkey has friendly relations. So, uh, like Turkey, it seems now been refused the Eurofighter aircraft also. It is still in negotiation, but as I can see in today's news that Germany is quite opposed to it. UK might be willing, because one company of UK has already signed the engine, Rolls-Royce company has already signed an engine agreement with the Turkish company. So it seems that Germany is more reluctant in case of Eurofighter. So in this case also, uh, if it was a European engine, that is Eurofighter engine also, that they are considering. It is the same designation that they have mentioned. So any American or European engine could be problematic. Second thing is that L-15 is more, it's double engine. It might be not very much fuel efficient also. Although the quality of engine would not be so deteriorated as it used to be in the past, because China has technologically quite bridged the gap that previously it had with Americans. We can see that in their, for example, J-10 engine is quite advanced. So the although the single engine in this aircraft might be attractive, because it will be it will affect the cost of the aircraft also, and the running expenses of the Hurjet will be low compared to L-15. But the, as I already said, the engine thing would be a problem. While in the case of Chinese, the double engine aircraft might uh, not be so fuel efficient, uh, but still it will have its own Chinese engine. So that will be an advantage for export for the Chinese. Also, twin engine aircraft has certain other advantages too, like over the sea, a twin engine aircraft is pretty useful, because if one engine is, for example, has some problem, the aircraft can fly on one engine also and still not crash over the sea. So that's why most of the aircraft in naval aviation are twin engine, like F-14, like F-18, and other aircraft. Uh, mm, one is, and that could be one employment of a double engine, of double engine light aircraft like L-15. And then another thing is that even on a normal terrain, if, for example, you are countering an insurgency, that might not have advanced air defense system. But if you have bombed an area and you're you have to eject over that area, so that would not be a good idea. That you have area just you have bombed and you eject or you have an ejection over that. So double engine aircraft is also very useful in that situation. That if some problem develops in one engine, then second engine can safely land this aircraft from away from the troubled area. So that I think are pros and cons of uh, Hurjet and L-15, and that will be issues that would be faced by Hurjet in the future. But I am confident that as in the case of fifth generation Khan jet of the Turkish aircraft industries, they are also developing their own engine for even the fighter jet drone Kızıl and their own Khan fifth generation fighter also. So it might be that when the serial production of Hurjet starts, Turkey might have its own engine at that time. So that will ease that problem of engine problem, I can say, because engine is a vital part of the aircraft and very expensive part also. So it matters very much that what is the source of that engine. So that were my views on the Hurjet and L-15 aircraft. That's all for today. I will be back with another interesting video soon. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and uh, give remarks, comments about my video. Uh, Take care. Bye.
Yo, check it out, this is Hands on the mic, bringing you the latest news. Yeah, that's right, I'm all about technology, travel in the news. No fake stuff, on the air to bring you the truth. From the streets to the online scene, I got the flow that'll make you lean. And the YouTube channel keeping you in the know. Technology, travel, news, everywhere we go. We're the ones you turn to when you need information. And the YouTube channel, we're your destination.